Hey everyone, and welcome back to Power Tech. Today we're taking a look at the Acer Aspire Lite AL15-41, a thin and light laptop powered by the AMD Ryzen 5500U processor. Let's jump right into what makes this laptop tick. The Ryzen 5500U is a solid performer, offering a great balance of power and efficiency. With 6 cores and 16 threads, it can handle everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and even some light photo editing with ease. Thanks to the 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking is a breeze. You can keep multiple programs open at once without experiencing any slowdown. This laptop isn't designed for hardcore gaming, but the integrated AMD Radeon graphics will handle casual games and basic video editing just fine. Storing your files and applications won't be a problem with the 512 GB NVMe. It offers super-fast boot times and quick application launches. Plus, you have the option to upgrade to a 1 TB SSD for even more storage space. The 15.6-inch Full HD display delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors. The narrow bezels give the laptop a modern look and feel, making it perfect for watching movies or working on presentations. When it comes to connectivity, the Aspire Lite has you covered. It features a good selection of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and an HDMI port for connecting external displays. The metal chassis gives this laptop a premium feel, while still keeping it lightweight at just 1.59 kilograms. This laptop is a great choice for students, professionals on the go, or anyone who needs a portable and powerful machine for everyday tasks. Overall, the Acer Aspire Lite AL15-41 is a great all-rounder laptop. It offers excellent performance, a beautiful display, and a sleek design, all at a competitive price point.
Presenting Acer Aspire Lite laptop. It is available in steel gray color variant. You can choose between 8 GB or 16 GB memory based on your need. The AMD Ryzen 5500U hexa-core mobile processor, AMD Radeon graphic and Windows 11 Home, delivers unmatched speed for enabling impressive creating, productivity, and gaming experiences. This laptop has 512 GB storage, expandable up to 1 TB, to store your files and media. Experience sharp details and crisp colors on the 15.6 inches Full HD anti-glare display, 16:9 aspect ratio, ultra-slim design and narrow bezels. Its premium metal sleek body on both A and D cover for lightweight experience. The laptop has USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 2 USB 2.0 Type A, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C. DC in jack, which provides the best experience for browsing.
If you're looking for a thin and light laptop that can handle your everyday needs, the Aspire Lite is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us on Power Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay powered on.